Alright, you're welcome back to KS Digital Concepts. This is just Sunday Samuel, the pioneer of KS Digital Concepts. Alright, so if you click on this Gooddollar, the link sent to you, or the link on the description of this video, or the link sent to you by your invitee. So once you click on it, it will take you to this portal. Alright, so you click on Get Started. If you click on Get Started, by looking here, you have gone one step. This is the second step and this is the third step, so you take it one after another. Preferably it's good to use Gmail account, you understand. So this is another method, this is another method, but preferably it is good to use Gmail account for you to process it quickly. So I click on it. It have to open for me to choose an account that I want to use. So maybe on your own you can only have one depending this, but this has multiple Gmail account here, so I just want to use this one to learn it. Okay, so it's loading now. It's taking me to the next one for verification. So it's preparing. We are preparing your wallet. So remember I told you that this is the one step, this is second step. You see, second step is complete now. So, and the third step is for you to do your official verification. So this is the name in your Gmail account, right? So you can click. It says that this cannot be changed. You can see it here. So this cannot be changed. So that name that is in your Gmail account is what that will appear here. So if you look at the name on my Gmail account, you see that is what you are seeing here. Alright, so you do next. So once you click next, so this might take few seconds. Congratulations, you can see it has opened my wallet. So my wallet is now good to go. So but I need to do my verification, so I can click on mine here. So this is how to mine, you see it. So but for me to mine now, I need to do my live official verification. You can see it. So you have to capture me. That is where the main issue comes in. That is that last position. You see how we take it one step to another, one step to another. So for you to be claiming this, you need to verify yourself. If I click on this self verification, you see it will bring out this for me. So you can see here, hold your camera at eye level, light your face evenly, avoid smiling and backlight. So make sure you put your face like this. If you know that your face is like this, you are good to go like this. So you click on next. So it have to load the page. You can see it's loading the page now for you to capture my face. Alright, so but I don't have to do this again because I have already done mine before. I don't have to do this again, you understand. So you can see you can now place your face very well on this. If you place your face very well so that it will now capture your face, I will not do this again because I have already done it, you understand. So that is why I will not be doing this. But if you be able to place your face, you can see, look, hold steady for 2 seconds. You see as you are doing it, it will be directing you on what to do. Look up here, you can see here. So it will be directing you on what to do so that you can be able to fit in this circle. So make sure your face are being placed on this circle. So once you're able to do that, you'll be captured. So you can now be able to be earning that Gooddollar every day, you understand. You'll be able to earning that Gooddollar. You see how it captured this one. This is what they need. You see it. This is what they need. So you have to place your face. Once you are good, you got it, you are good to go, and it will verify your account and you continue mining. I hope you get this now. So I hope you got this. So I don't want to do this again because it will capture my face twice and I will lose my other account, so I don't want to do it twice. Why they are doing it is for you to not to have multiple accounts. So anytime you want to earn, once you have done it, anytime you want to earn, click on this claim. You will claim it and it will appear on this transaction list here. Then you can send to someone that is already in this platform, or you can receive and send also. Then you'll be seeing the total Gooddollar you have here and the value in dollar. So the value in dollar will be showing here. Why this one is seller is another of the listing. They also convert to be seen there also, and this one too. So once you start earning, it will be showing here and it will be showing the dollar equivalent. So I hope this video will guide you on how to start your Gooddollar mining. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.